Do you feel like life moves too fast and you are often caught out? Or let your reactions get the better of you, but at the same time you don't feel like traditional meditation is for you? The six-phase meditation method by Vishen Lakhiani introduces meditation, but not as you know it. By combining elements of mindfulness, gratitude, visualization, and positive intentions to create a comprehensive but accessible meditation practice, it aims to help individuals cultivate a positive mindset, improve emotional well-being, and align their actions with their aspirations. This video will summarize the main points of this method and show you how you can get started. First of all, you have to create a sense of connectedness and unity. Imagine a world filled with compassion, love, and peace. This allows you to cultivate a sense of oneness with the universe and contribute to a collective well-being. Imagine you are with a dear loved one. Let the feeling you have with them fill you, and then spread that feeling around to all the locations of your life and beyond around the world. Imagine filling the world with the positive feelings you have. Envision a world filled with peace, love, and compassion. Imagine humanity living harmoniously, respecting nature, and embracing diversity. Radiate positive energy and blessings to all beings, acknowledging the interconnectedness of all life. This expands your perspective beyond yourself and fosters a sense of unity and global consciousness. It encourages you to contribute to the well-being of the world and serves as a reminder of the positive impact you can make through your thoughts and actions. Establish a connection with yourself and the present moment. This involves deep breathing and becoming aware of your body and emotions. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take slow and deep breaths, and bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the sensations in your body and notice any emotions or thoughts that arise. This is where this method and traditional meditation have some overlap. But understand that there is no need for candles or bells. Just be dedicated to giving yourself a moment of reflection and calm. This is ideal for grounding yourself, reducing stress, and enhancing self-awareness. It can be practiced at the beginning of the day to set a positive tone, or during challenging moments to regain composure. In addition, always remember to take a pause before making any choice or answering a difficult question. Use this time to ground yourself and consider your answer free from the initial emotional reaction. Express gratitude for various aspects of your life. This can include people, experiences, achievements, or even challenges that have helped you grow. Happiness is hard to find and even harder to keep hold of because people naturally lose their appreciation for things over time and begin focusing again on the gap between now and the next happiness goal. Practicing the following method can help you continue to receive happiness from things for much longer. Reflect on specific things you are grateful for in your life. It can be helpful to write them down or mentally list them, focusing on both significant achievements and small blessings. Feel the gratitude in your heart as you express appreciation. Use the 3x3 gratitude method. Devote a few minutes each day to the three most important parts of your life: personal, work, and self. Start by listing 3 things you're grateful for in each area. Cultivating gratitude enhances overall well-being and shifts your focus towards the positive aspects of life. Incorporate the gratitude phase into your daily routine to foster a sense of contentment, increase resilience, and improve relationships. Let go of negative emotions or resentment you may be holding on to. Forgive yourself and others, allowing for emotional healing and the release of negative energy. Your feelings control your reality. Bitterness and negativity will color the future of your work, personal life, or self-development attempts and make you behave differently. Make sure to actively let go of these bad feelings. Even if you can't approve of the event which caused them, you can shed the weight of it. Bring to mind any resentments or grievances you may be holding on to, whether towards yourself or others. Reflect on the pain that they have caused and make a conscious choice to release these negative emotions. Repeat affirmations of forgiveness, such as "I choose to forgive and let go." Practicing forgiveness can free you from the burden of past hurts, promote emotional healing, and improve relationships. The forgiveness phase can be particularly beneficial when dealing with conflicts, grudges, or self-criticism. This takes time and practice, but doing so whenever you notice you are becoming negative because of past experience will help you flex the negativity away. Visualize your ideal future and set clear intentions for what you want to create in your life. This helps you align your actions and choices with your desired outcomes. We all love to fantasize and daydream. Put that activity to work for you by planning out future steps. Using a fixed interval such as 3 years, imagine your ideal future in vivid detail. Visualize the accomplishments, experiences, and relationships you desire, Feel the emotions associated with your vision and believe that it is possible. Consider writing down your intentions to reinforce your commitment. The future vision phase helps you clarify your goals, align your actions with your aspirations, and manifest positive outcomes. Regularly engaging in this phase can provide motivation, direction, and a sense of purpose in your daily life. The next step couples with future vision to create a positive feeling for your present moment and the rest of your day. Take this as a first step towards your overall goal, a common theme in self-help to visualize the ending and then take steps towards it. Think about the events in your immediate future and people in your life, including loved ones, friends, colleagues, and even strangers. Visualize positive outcomes for your next tasks and send your loved ones thoughts of support. This phase puts you on the path to your goal with a positive step and cultivates compassion, empathy, and interconnectedness. It allows you to contribute to the well-being of others and foster positive relationships. If you genuinely want to improve your life, you have to commit to becoming your best self. This means cultivating practical qualities like forgiveness, gratitude, and compassion. By incorporating these action steps, you can integrate the 6-phase meditation method into your daily life, promoting personal growth, emotional well-being, and creating a positive impact on the world around you.
MA